Have you ever got goosebumps while listening to songs? Don't worry, it has happened with me too. Now is the time for some serious talks. Just a few days back, I just realized that I'm listening to songs way too much. I was spending averagely 4 hours per day listening to music, just music. And eventually, I opened up my history that what are the songs which I am playing since the past 2 days. So while analyzing, I realized that the type of music that I am listening to, it changes my personality for a short period of time. It impacts my own behavior, the way I talk to other people, the way I react to myself, the way I look the world. I look at the people according how I feel and the type of music which I had just recently played. When I listen to a particular song and when I listen to another, it gives me another view. So that's how a song can manipulate you, your emotions, your behavior, the way you see the world. The human brain is so much adaptive and it can adapt any habit, it can adapt anything in just few milliseconds. Every song has some motive behind it. It's about the composer and the director of that song. Every song has some motive behind it. It could be inspiring, it could be motivating, it could be sad. So whenever you listen to any music, just analyze that what is the motive of that song or what is the type of song that I'm listening to when you plug in your earphone and when you play some any of the emotional song. It gives you some bites, it gives you some emotions, it gives you feeling. It's just because of your own past experience or maybe the things that you are facing right now. So it's all dependent on what you are doing right now. Just be self aware that what kind of music that you are listening to and what is the motive behind it and how is it changing your behavior, because there can be a person who is not even heartbroken, but the time he starts listening to the sad songs or those of emotional songs, remembers of his own past and got reminded by it. It can influence him in a negative way. Even he is not sad or even he is not heartbroken recently, but it can give a sense of it. Learn to manage that what you are listening to, watching to. It could be on social media. It's just not about the music industry. Just be aware of what you are doing and what you are watching, because there are very big powers behind the screens. They are actually controlling you.